All right, G on number 10. It says 42 divided by 6, that's an O, plus 13, that's all one group, and then divided by 4. Okay, so first things first, we're going to handle that group because GEMDAS starts with groups. That comes first. And in this group, I have division and addition. Following GEMDAS, this order, I see that division comes before addition. Okay, so I'm going to come over and do 42 divided by 6 first. 42 divided by 6 is 7. Okay, and I'm going to keep my parentheses because I still have operations inside my group. All right, rewrite everything else down on that line. Okay, next, I still have a group, so I'm going to finish solving it. 7 plus 13 gives me 20, and rewrite everything else. So now I just have 20 divided by 4, okay? 20 divided by 4 is positive 5. There are no negatives in sight here. Okay, our question said, which of the following does not equal negative 5? Well, this doesn't, it's positive. So for G, I'm going to come over and I'm going to put a question mark. I think it might, okay? But I'm going to check the others just in case. It's very likely on star that they're going to sit there and throw something at you to trick you. And maybe you made a small mistake somewhere. So let's go and double check with H and J just in case. All right. Also, it's good practice. H, we're going to do GEMDAS still. Okay, our group is 25 divided by 5 plus 5 squared. We have division, addition, and exponents. Using GEMDAS, the first thing that we need to tackle are exponents. Okay, 5 squared means you have 2 5s, all right? This is a string of multiplication of the base number, and we have 2 of them. So 5 times 5 is 25. Drop down the rest of it. Okay. I still have my group, but I don't have exponents in it, so I'm going to look for multiplication or division in it. Okay, I see 25 divided by 5. That will give us 5, and I'm going to copy down the rest. Okay, I still have my group, but this time I only have addition. So 5 plus 25 is 30. I'm going to copy down the rest. I think you see where this is going. Negative 35 plus positive 30. Okay, if you say this is 65, you're adding them like they're the same sign. Okay, you're like 35 plus 30 is 65. Well, this is negative. So if you're starting negative 35, those 35 spaces to the left of 0, and then we add 30 to it, do we get to 0 past 0, or do we stop just before it? Okay, think about it. Same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. I have a negative and a positive. They're different, so we're going to subtract. 35 and 30, the difference is 5. Keep the sign of the higher absolute value. We know 30 is greater, but the absolute value is just the distance from 0, and negative 35 is 35 places from 0. So negative is going to be our answer. We have negative 5, okay? So this one does equal negative 5, so it's not our answer. Okay. Last one we're going to solve.